Hey guys, it's Brianna back again with another embroidery video. Today we are talking about multi-position hoops again, but this time we're doing picture embroidery. Inside of Embrilliance, we are going to look for our file. So I have this cute little giraffe. So I'm going to click on the 5x4 design and see how that looks. So right away it's going to pop up with the red line for the dimensions because it is too big for my 4x4 hoop. So I'm going to click on the yellow folder and change the settings to multi-position. And we're going to go with the large hoop ×2. Minimize the screen. Then I'm also going to add some text here. And this is the nice thing about Embrilliance Essentials is you can have your design and your text rather than having to do them separately. So I'm just going to make it say giraffe to keep it simple. And I'm also going to change the color. To change the color, you just need to click on the color on the right hand side and then select your color, select OK, and you'll see it change. Save it as a stitch file, giraffe split design. Place your files on a geek stick and head over to your machine. For this design, I'm going to show you how to skip the basting stitch, so click End Edit and then Embroidery. Then you'll see the plus or minus key on the right hand side on the bottom. Go ahead and click on that. Select +10 and on the picture of the image you will see it going around the border. Once it goes towards the center of the design, click OK. You'll see that the black is no longer there, so you're going to select -1 stitch until it goes back to that border. And select OK, and once you see it back, click +1 and you'll be right at the start for the actual design. Here's my multi-position hoop. It has 4 notches on it. I'm going to use a piece of cutaway stabilizer and a piece of scrap fabric. Place it on the first 2 notches and start my design. Here's the first part. It looks a little weird because of the lion background, but it's just a scrap piece. Time for part 2, which is for the last 2 notches. So selecting the design, once again skipping the border. And starting the design. Alright guys, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you guys have any questions on embroidery, please leave them down in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!